Today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade shampoo. I use baking soda and apple cider vinegar, and it's that simple. So you take your old dish soap container and you need a funnel. I measured out about a half a cup of baking soda. You don't really need to use that much. You can use I'd say a fourth to a half a cup. And it will get stuck in the funnel, so you have to kind of shake it around. Okay, and when it's all in, then you're going to add your apple cider vinegar, and I do use the organic, but any type of apple cider vinegar is fine for this purpose. And I'll measure it probably about a fourth of a cup will do, and it will get bubbly. If you put too much, it will bubble right out of your container, so you don't want to do that. Next thing we need to do is dilute it with water. Simple. Fill it to the top. Leave a little room because it will bubble. Make sure you keep the squirter top, because that's going to help you to squirt it on your scalp when you're in the shower. Give it a little shake, mix it up, and you have your homemade shampoo. Now it will settle, so you only need to shake it up before you get ready to use it, and you have a little extra in there so you can keep adding water as it runs down. You can dilute it even more and it will last a little longer.